Hey y'all, so I decided to try Fufu for the first time. So I went to my local African restaurant. It is in Marietta. And somebody's coming to interrupt me. And we gonna ignore them. What I purchased was the okra and fufu and the igisu. So here is the yam. It's nice, warm, and wrapped in saran wrap. So I'm just gonna undo that really quick. Get this off of here. Ooh, nice and warm. So this is the local restaurant. It's called Fad Fine Dining, located in Marietta. So check them out. I'm also gonna tag them as well. So let's get into it. So this one is the okra, which is finely chopped. And I love okra, y'all, so I don't have a problem with it. So I'm excited to see what it tastes like. I can get this thing open. Like, come on. So this is what it looks like. And it has fish inside. Let me not spill it. I'm gonna try this one first. So I'm gonna flatten this sucker out. I've already washed my hands in case anybody was wondering. And so you're supposed to scoop. What that is? Oh, there we go. I'm just gonna scoop it. Very slimy. Really spicy, but good. It's a good spicy. It's the kind of spicy that makes you want to just keep eating. I'm gonna get another bite in. It's spicy, y'all. The way it smacked the back of your throat. God damn. But it's good. It's really good. That's it. All right, let me try the igisu. So, I know some people saying that it comes with goat, cow, fish, and chicken, I believe. Maybe not the fish part. I'm not sure. But anyways, this restaurant with this restaurant, it was optional. So I just got the chicken because I don't eat no goat. And I rarely ever eat beef. So I'm gonna stick with chicken. So in the igisu, there's chicken and fish. Chicken and fish. So this is what the igisu look like. All right, let me taste this one. And then scoop it. Get in there. That's a big bone. What is it? Oh, that's a piece of chicken. It's just a piece of chicken, y'all. Okay. Tripping. What is that? I mean, that's a piece of fish. It was good though. Wait, let me try it with this. from the yam. Good. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, y'all. Hold on. That's good. That's super good. I can eat this all day. So y'all, hold on. Let me swallow my food. So y'all go check out Fat Fine Dining in Marietta, Georgia. They're off of Austell Road. Great customer service. They have a live band if you want to sit, relax, enjoy your meal. Y'all check them out, okay? Bye.